In feudal Japan, long before productivity systems, morning routines, and motivational quotes carved into stone, there existed stories. Quiet stories, unwritten stories. Stories that were never meant to improve anyone. One such story takes place in a quiet forest, the kind of forest that is never in a hurry. There lives a small bird named Khazarmeer. This is the story of Khazarmeer and the strange thing that happened when he stopped trying. Khazarmeer has a long red beak, big, curious eyes, and very small wings. So small that if wings were ideas, they would be lovely ideas, but not especially useful ones. Khazarmeer cannot fly. He never could, but he thought about it often. One morning, while standing on a branch and looking at the sky, Khazarmeer reached an important conclusion. The problem was not his wings. The problem was that he was simply not working on himself hard enough. And so, Khazarmeer began his journey of self-improvement. He created a serious morning routine. Early wake-up, deep breathing, a determined stare into the distance. Sometimes the distance was just another tree. The stare remained determined. He repeated encouraging phrases to himself. I am a flying bird who has not flown yet. My wings know what to do. This branch does not define me. The wings, meanwhile, knew absolutely nothing. Khazarmeer practiced every day. He flapped and flapped again, and on particularly motivated days he flapped harder with a very serious face. Every evening he asked himself one simple question. So, did you fly today? The answer was always very consistent. No. But Khazarmeer did not give up. He improved. He added more breathing, more intention, more positive thoughts. At some point, he became so busy trying to be a better bird that he forgot to notice the sunset was actually quite beautiful. Then, on a very ordinary day, something unexpected happened. A strong wind entered the forest, the kind of wind that does not read instruction manuals and does not wait until you feel ready. The branch moved suddenly. Khazarmeer lost his balance. He panicked, and for the first time in a long while, he did not try to improve. He did not repeat a mantra. He did not take an especially deep breath. He did not imagine a successful future among the clouds. He simply held on to the branch and closed his eyes. For a very short moment, everything was quiet. Then, Khazarmeer noticed something strange. His heart was beating fast, then a little slower. His breath was moving in and out without asking for instructions. When he opened his eyes, the wind had already calmed. The branch had stopped moving. Khazarmeer was still there, whole, present, and he felt something he had not felt in a long time. Relief. For the first time, he was not a bird who needed to become better. He was simply Khazarmeer. The next morning, Khazarmeer woke up slowly. He did not practice. He did not flap. He did not plan. He sat on the branch and looked at the forest. His wings were still small. The sky was still very high. But Khazarmeer smiled to himself because he suddenly understood something important. He did not need to fly in order to have a good life. And sometimes, when you stop trying to become something else, you finally begin to be. Of course, this conclusion was deeply unsettling to anyone who prefers clear instructions. Khazarmeer briefly considered starting a new plan, a very small plan. Step 1. Relax. Step 2. Relax properly. Step 3. Become enlightened accidentally while not paying attention. He decided against it. The plan felt stressful. So instead, Khazarmeer remained on the branch, doing absolutely nothing. Experts later confirmed that this was not progress. It was not growth. It was not optimization. It was, however, extremely peaceful. Khazarmeer still did not fly, but he had stopped falling, which, according to highly unofficial research, is sometimes enough. This was one story. There are many more. Not all of them are useful. Some are just true. If you would like to hear another one, you know where to find us.